Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I am going to be kitting up my canvas for the hashtag Pam Party, which is the September event. I will leave a link to the Google Doc down below if you haven't joined just yet. So this painting is a bit of a beast. I'll show you the little picture. It is Moth Shearing Season by Sarah Rose. And let me just show you a little bit of it. I will also link to my original unboxing of this one. But yeah, so we've got this lovely sort of fairy character who is shearing the down, I guess, from the moth that will then be spun on this spinning wheel over here, probably to make her another beautiful dress. So that's what I'm going to be working on this month, and now I'm just going to get kit up. So I'm going to time lapse this because it'll probably take me about an hour, and you don't want to sit and watch me do that for an hour. And then I've got a couple of other things to show you as well. So I'll start getting kit up and I'll see you on the other side. So now that I'm all kit up and ready for the event, I get to share the really exciting bit with you, and that is to show you the grand prize, which Sarah Rose has kindly donated and has sent to me so that I could show it to you guys in a video. So I haven't opened this yet, but I've seen pictures. So this will be shipped off to the grand prize winner wherever you are, and I will endeavour to wrap it back up just as carefully when it's going off in the post. Oh, it's like birthdays. I'm only sad that I don't have a chance of winning it, although I do already have a piece of Sarah's artwork. So, oh my goodness, it's so much more stunning in person. So this is Flutter and Fuzz. It is an acrylic. It is, as you can see, signed. It's absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. Wow, sorry, try not to get the glare on it too much. But yeah, so somebody out there that's going to take part in the Pam Party event will win this absolute beauty. However, if you don't win or you aren't involved in the event and it's, you know, too late for you to get a canvas of your own and join the event, you can purchase this art as a diamond painting. I will pop a link to the canvas on Pam's website, so that is still available should you wish to purchase it as a diamond painting and complete it for yourself. It's so lovely. There's so much life in it, and just detail, like the little fuzz on the body there, and the sort of sparkle in the eyes. I really love it. And yeah, I am sure it will be a prized possession of the person who finally gets to own it. Please do go and look up Sarah Rose Art. I'll pop a link to her Instagram. I know she's also got a website which is relatively new, but you can go there and sign up for her newsletter. She's been an absolutely wonderful supporter of my channel, and a firm supporter of Pam. You can get several of her pieces of art as diamond paintings through Pam, and yeah, hopefully we will see more of her art in the future. So thank you again to Sarah Rose for putting this forward as a grand prize. I will be sharing some more little prize peeks as the weeks go by. Currently there will be one international winner and one US, one UK winner, basically, at the moment, based on the geographics of where people are each week, and then the grand prize at the end. So I'm going to leave this here. Thank you very, very much for joining me for my little kit up and unbox or unwrap. If you are taking part in the event, do remember to tune in on each Wednesday for my live, where I will be doing the prize draw, so you can find out if you've won. I hope that you are all getting ready for the event, getting kit up, and if you haven't already, do remember to fill out that Google Doc. I will put a link down below. I'm going to leave this here. Thank you for joining me. Thank you to those of you who support me over on Patreon and here as channel members. If you would like to join them, link is down below. It is from just 99p per month. I will send you some stickers no matter where in the world you are. And until next time, stay crafty.